In today's video, I'll show you how to enable two-step verification in Yahoo Mail to better protect your account. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Yahoo Mail website. Sign in to the account you want to secure. Once you're inside your inbox, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account Info. This will open your account settings in a new tab. In the account dashboard, click on Security or Account Security. You may be asked to verify your identity again before accessing these settings, which is normal. In the Security section, find two-step verification and turn the toggle on. This activates the extra security layer that requires a second verification step in addition to your password. Next, choose how you want to receive your verification codes. You can use a phone number to receive a text message or call, an authenticator app that generates codes, push notifications through the Yahoo app, or a physical security key if you have one. Follow the on-screen instructions for the method you choose. For example, if you select a phone number, enter the number and confirm the code sent to you. If you choose an authenticator app, scan the QR code and enter the generated code. Once confirmed, two-step verification will be enabled. From now on, when you sign in from a new device, you'll be asked to complete the second verification step. That's it. Your Yahoo Mail account now has an added layer of security with two-step verification enabled.